We were already prepared to bring in 2 pups from Montana, so our transition to be in a place to bring in the rescue pup from Idaho was really an easy one. We were already set to start with the training. We had a domestic dog in place to act as a surrogate mother, so we were ready to go. We have a very unique process that we've found that works here, where we utilize a domestic dog as a surrogate mother, and it helps maintain that puppy's submissive attitude so that when they're introduced to other wolves, possibly older, larger wolves, they maintain that submissive attitude and the introductions go much more smoothly. There is much less chance of aggression. Wolf pups are quite a bit different than domestic dogs. Although they look similar to a German Shepherd, their behavior is entirely different. We've bred domestic dogs for thousands of years to try to retain those puppy-like characteristics. Wolves don't have that. At 4 weeks old, wolf pups are aggressing towards each other and trying to become the alpha member of the pack. If someone finds an abandoned wolf pup or any wild animal, we give the same advice, and that's to kind of steer clear and let nature take its course. If you think the pup or the animal is injured, it's best to contact your local wildlife officials. Right now, the pups are getting acquainted with all their new surroundings. We think they'll be able to meet guests in a few short weeks. Busch Gardens has a long-standing wolf education program and training program, so when Boise was looking for a permanent home for this animal, we were a natural fit.